Actually, the PPT is not working well, so this may be more comfortable.
No, with this, it's difficult to evaluate and score. Your presentation also has score, and this is the cost table which you submitted. We'll get back to this later, but without having an PPT, 50 percentage of your presentation won't go.
Uh, Sir, the PPT had got some errors. Some pages are missing, so we will manage with this.
Go ahead, Krishna. Let them suffer with the poor scoring. That's all we can do.
Yes, you start present.
Okay, so myself, Suresh, from Team Rapid, and it's a cost report. First of all, let's start with the chassis. Uh, First, it's frame. It is a manufactured part. Its main process used was cutting, welding, etc. Process cost was around 400 rupees. Raw materials cost 4,000 rupees. Uh, Tooling cost around 100 rupees, and unit cost 4,500. Total cost was 4,500. Next part was front body mount. It's also a manufactured part. Main process used was drilling. Uh, Cost of process was nil because it was manufactured in our lab itself. Raw materials cost 50 rupees, and unit cost 100 rupees. Total 100 rupees. Next, body mount left side. It is also a manufacturing part. It was also manufactured in our lab itself, and its main process was drilling. It's also having 50 rupees cost product. Total unit cost 100 rupees. Next, next part is right side body mount. It's also a manufactured part. Its main process was drilling. It was also done in our lab itself. So that unit cost is 100 rupees. Next part is rear bumper mount. It's also a manufactured part. Its main process was also drilling, and it's uh, fully done in our lab. So,
Steerage, sorry to interrupt.
okay, sir.
Go to frame like CFB 100,
Okay, sir.
very first frame which you discussed. Explain all the cost associated to CFP 100.
Okay, sir. The process cost around 400 rupees for labor charge, transportation, and all. The process cost was 400 rupees. Collection of raw materials 4,000 rupees. The transportation of raw materials and all are included in the process cost. So the raw material itself cost 4,000 rupees. Tooling cost around 100 rupees for renting of some tools that we don't have. For its 100 rupees and all. Total unit cost 4,500.
One, sir, okay. Where is your design?
Okay. So just a minute.
No, I'm asking in the same worksheet. There is an space given to like paste your design, right?
Okay, sir. That's actually in the engineering report. So can I present that?
No, 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 no. In this report only, this is not design presentation. This is cost presentation. Let okay, like open your same sheet.
Sure, sir. That was not clear. Can you please repeat it?
Open the same worksheet which you are presenting now.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Can you?
yes, yes. Explain
Okay.
this. Give me a split up of this 400, which you have used in which you have put in the process course.
Sir, 200 rupees for labor charge and to and for transportation cost was 100 each. That was the total process cost.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
How many materials have you used to manufacture your chassis?
Sir, we purchased 1 inch outer diameter pipe and we bend it so and we weld it.
I ask how much, like in length, in terms of length, I'm asking.
Uh,
1 inch, okay, dia.
okay, sir.
What is the length of the material which is used in manufacturing your chassis?
Sir, actually we bought it bulk since we are working on another project and we took it from that.
It is completely fine. Now, when you're talking about frame, you should have put up the price which is like cost which has incurred you in like manufacturing the chassis, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, this 4,000 is associated to the total materials which you have purchased.
No, sir. That this is only for this particular.
Then how much is the length of the material which is used for chassis?
Sir, that's
And you told you like once you purchased you had some bends to be done. And where is this bending in the process used?
sir. That bending was also done in our lab, so process cost was zero.
Can try to understand me one thing. Now we are not considering you as a student. You are submitting a report, and this is like we are in design firm now, and it's not about your doing inside your college campus. And labor cost you told 200, right?
Yes, sir.
Like how have you calculated that?
Sir, depends on the work like welding and all. We cal- calculated it according to the professional wages and all.
And this tooling cost, how have you calculated?
Sir, that's also just for our tooling
How
process.
many cutting wheels were used to cut? Like how many cuts are there in your design?
This only fewer than 10.
Welding consumables you have to explain, and CFB 101 we have done drilling, but processes cost is zero. Drilling is itself in process.
It's a process, but since we done it in our lab, we don't consider it as a.
No, this report is an it was clearly told in the workshop what all cost has to be added. So move to the bill of materials worksheet.
Sorry,
The
sir.
very bill
Can
of bomb sheet for the first sheet.
okay, sir.
No, there are like several different worksheets, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, please tell us frankly, how many times have you opened this sheet earlier than today?
Actually, we arranged it. We made this sheet.
You only made it. I'm saying, how many times have you opened it?
Uh, few times, 4 or 5 times, and go through this.
So you just made it in 4 or 5 times only.
Yes, sir. Because we are busy with our exam schedule, so we couldn't have the time to do much as our university exams are ongoing till February 6th.
So how do you want us to evaluate you? You tell us. Can you locate BOM?
Yes, sir. We,
And it is empty to our surprise.
sorry, sir.
What is a cost report and why do we make it?
That's to evaluate the process that we had done in a lab and all to a industry point of view and to evaluate ourselves.
And what is our role in it? That is your role, you said. What is our role in it?
to value our work, evaluate our work, that how we are performing and all.
So, if we score you 0 in it, would that be okay for you?
No, sir.
But how should we point out? I mean, how should we score you? How should we evaluate you? There should be something. You don't have presentation. You don't have data in the cost report. I mean, based on what should we evaluate you? My concern is.
So, sorry.
When did you start to prepare this report?